Hi, I'm Josh Whale. I'm the Lambton Campus President, and here are 10 questions to get to know me better. Whale, like the mammal. My favourite colour is red. So for my degree I studied ancient history and history, and then for my master's degree I studied ancient history. I particularly enjoyed learning about Greek civilization and Roman imperialism. I mean, if I was an animal, I suppose I'd be a whale. Obvious reasons. I enjoy playing sports, in particularly football and basketball. I enjoy spending time with my friends. When I can, which is never, I enjoy gaming as well. Xbox, obviously. A song that I can't get out of my head at the moment, probably Charles Gambino, Redbone. Great song. I can't wait to meet all the new people starting on the weekend and all the events that we have organised for you lot. Skill, I helped write a screenplay that won a national award. It's not really a skill, but I have nothing else. Promoting mental health and reintroducing our Nightline service, increasing our student engagement and helping to create better comms, and doing more cross-campus events so all our students get to experience all of our wonderful campuses. My advice would be to get involved as quickly as possible with as much as you can. It really enriches your student life. Also, don't be afraid to talk to second and third years. They can become your best friends, so watch out for them.